Today we are at the inception workshop for the Logistics Preparedness Working Group. This is a very bold step that we are seeing the government of Timor-Leste take, in particular the Civil Protection Authority. As a country which is based within the Ring of Fire, basically being hit by flooding, cyclones, landslides, even pandemics and other sorts of disasters, I think it's very important to note that logistics forms the backbone of any emergency response. It's brought together about 80 stakeholders, mostly operational staff, logisticians, and basically your first responders in an emergency to really brainstorm around what we are doing for logistics preparedness in Timor-Leste.
Ohine importante tebes pro na workshop idane bani para ami bele hadia I ami preparaan dia klutam para unsa acontece dezastre no rumah ita bele prepara lojística idane pedia kliu ya futuro.
This workshop is relevant to Timor-Leste because we would like to setting the Timor-Leste capabilities. To be honest, because we are working on the risk assessment procedure, we think that we still have a missing gap to be ensured that we are ready in case of emergency. Why we would like to support and why we need to coordinate very closely with the government.
Husi conhecimento no bema corre na meta, husi workshop dane, ame bele implementamos e instituisaun no bema como serviço, Dili Unidade Especial Protesaun Sivil e Bombeiros nian, bele mos aplica ter conhecimento no bema como meta ni workshop dane.
So as we all know that supply chain logistics constitute a majority of the humanitarian response costs. So by investing in logistic preparedness, we can do so much to make our response more efficient and effective, right? And also, as we all know, that it's not only one organization providing logistic response, but so many actors are working in the same area.
So, looking forward to further actions around logistics preparedness in Timor-Leste and for ensuring that the people of Timor-Leste can be better served, let's say, in times of a disaster.